Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to pair your mobile device to Ford Sync via Bluetooth. I'm in 2012 Ford F150, but this is gonna be the same procedure for Ford F150s from 2009 all the way up to 2022. This is also gonna work on most of the Ford vehicles. To start pairing your phone to Ford Sync, you will have to turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Once your Bluetooth is on, you will have to press this button where you see phone icon, and there is a message add Bluetooth device. So we're gonna press OK.
Press OK to begin pairing a device.
And OK one more time.
Search for Sync on your device and enter the PIN provided by Sync.
Now on your phone you should be able to see Sync, and you want to press on that, and when you press the Sync, you will have to enter the PIN number that you got here on display. Once you enter that PIN number, you are fully connected to the Ford Sync with your phone, and therefore you can listen music. You're connected via audio and messages and phone calls. Thanks for watching this video.